Hello everyone, my name is Mohammed Shazad and today I will be presenting my weather application built using Python and the Tkinter library. This app integrates multiple APIs to provide real-time weather data and local time for any city worldwide. To make this work, I utilized several key libraries: Tkinter for the graphical user interface, GeoPy to convert city names into geographic coordinates, Time Zone Finder, and PYTZ to determine the exact local time based on those coordinates, and Request to fetch weather data from the OpenWeather map. The heart of the app is the getWeather function. First, it captures the user input from the text field. It then uses a geolocator with a unique user agent to find the latitude and longitude. Once we have the location, we calculate the local time and format it for the UI. And finally, we send a request to OpenWeather app. I have implemented error handling here using a try except block to ensure that if a user enters an invalid city, the app provides a clear invalid entry message or a city does not exist message. Now, I'm going to discuss about some points and some specific parts of my code which I'm going to be talking about, and I have screenshots as well of those specific parts. So let's just get started. So this code geolocator, this is where the magic starts. I'm using the nominatim geocoder. It takes the string the user types into the search bar like Paris and converts it into latitude and longitude. Without these coordinates, we won't know which time zone or weather station to look up. And the next one is API request and data parsing. You can see the screenshot here, the code as well. Here I'm sending a request to the OpenWeather map API. The data comes back as JSON object, which is like a big dictionary. I specifically pass out the temperature, which arrives in Kelvin. So I subtract 273.15 to convert it into Celsius for the user. The next screenshot, I have wrapped the entire logic in a try except block. This is a crucial safety feature. If the user types a city that doesn't exist, or if the internet connection fails, the app won't crash. Instead, it triggers a user-friendly error message. Moving on to the next one. To make the app feel professional, I have bound the getWeather function to two things: the physical search button and the return key on the keyboard. This allows the user to search quickly without needing to switch between the mouse and keyboard. See it in action. So when I type a city and hit enter, let's just say Dubai, and hit enter, you can see the UI updates immediately. The temperature is converted from Kelvin to Celsius. The wind speed, humidity, and pressures are displayed in the bottom frame. The local time updates to reflect the city's specific time zone. So let's just try another city like Tokyo. As you can see, it changes to Tokyo's temperature. And if let's just say type a random, not a random city, like a random word, and pretend if it's a city, you see, the message shows up, city not found. So if a city doesn't exist, it won't show it on the program.